Vizio TV not working after lightning. Power and board damage check. Did a sudden lightning strike leave your favorite TV dead and silent? It is incredibly frustrating to lose your entertainment in an instant. I know that feeling of worry when you think you have to buy a brand new screen, but do not panic just yet. The good news is that you can often fix this issue yourself at home. After watching this video, you will know exactly what to check. If you face any difficulty during these steps, please leave a comment. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more proven tech solutions. Let us get your TV back to life. The first step is a deep power cycle. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet completely. Locate the physical power button on the TV. Press and hold it down for 60 seconds. This drains all residual power. Leave the TV unplugged for at least 10 minutes, then plug it back in and try to turn it on. Next, check the outlet itself. Plug in a lamp or a fan to make sure the lightning did not trip a circuit breaker. If you use a surge protector, it might be tripped. Try plugging the TV directly into the wall instead. If the TV still has no power, we need to look inside. Always make sure the power is unplugged before opening it. Carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Lift the cover to reveal the internal boards. We are looking for obvious damage. Use a flashlight to inspect the power board and the main board. Look for capacitors that are bulging at the top or leaking fluid. This is a clear sign of lightning damage. Check for any black soot or burn marks. These indicate a component has shorted out from the surge. Try the flashlight test. Shine a light close to the screen while the TV is on. If you see a faint image, your main board is fine. If there are no lights at all, not even a standby light, the power board is likely the culprit. You can order replacement boards online using your TV model number. It is much cheaper than a new TV. Before you disconnect any wires, take a photo. This ensures you know exactly where everything goes during reassembly. If you are not comfortable working with electronics, please contact a professional. Your safety is the priority. I am confident you can get your Vizio TV running again. Stay patient and follow the steps carefully. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. See you in the next troubleshooting guide.